affirmative, one left, you are clear to land. American 2482, contact departure.
Okay.
United 2735, 10409, gust 14, one right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1 right, United 2735.
Southwest 3058, Las Vegas, one right, line up and wait.
Line up way 1 right, Southwest 3058.
155 Mike, heavy, tower 26 left, to land, wind 0409, gust 14. Kilo Charlie, just a heads up on your sequence. You are right after that horizon on the parallel runway.
Roger, 2 Kilo Charlie.
The Embraer.
Roger, 2 Kilo Charlie.
Please, contact departure, see you. 2482, contact departure. Southwest 3058, 10410, gust 14, one right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 1 right, Southwest 3058.
License 113, Las Vegas, one right, line up and wait.
Right.
Southwest 2168, Las Vegas Tower, continue. I'll have the runway for you in just a moment. Delta 2748, 2 right turns when you're able, hold short of 1 right at Sierra. 2 right turns when able, hold short of 1 right at Sierra, Delta 2748. At 2735, contact departure.
2735, goodbye.
And license 113, wind 030, 111 right, clear for takeoff.
Right,
Target 2388, Las Vegas, one right, line up point.
1 right, line up going, American 2388.
7106 Zulu Tower, wind able, squawk 4211, say your request. Vegas, one left, clear to land, 1030 at 11. Atlantic. Like to do kind of a left cross and departure over to the T-Mobile arena for a system stuff. For 7106 Zulu, press position departure will be at your own risk. You're cleared in the class Bravo airspace. Proceed as requested, remain west of the taxiways at all times. Cleared into the Bravo, clear for takeoff, own risk, remain west of all taxiways. 06 Zulu, thanks. 06 Zulu, and what was your requested altitude you wanted? 06 Zulu, if we could start about 3,000, we can go up higher if we get some tour helicopters coming in. 06 Zulu, Roger, for now maintain and try to maintain 3,000. I maintain 3,000, 06 Zulu, thanks. Yeah, one for use caution, you got a helicopter departing just at Atlantic there, westbound towards T-Mobile Arena. 06 Zulu, that helicopter traffic's just set stratosphere southbound at 3,000. 06 Zulu, roger.
Roger, 155 heavy, just so you can set the wind.
Right now are 020 at 11.
Roger, 155, thank you.
Westjet 1401, wind 03010, one right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 1 right, Westjet 1401.
Horizon 2072, Las Vegas, one right, line up and wait. Zulu, are you airborne? Affirmative, we just picked up 06 Zulu. And was that Papillon there? One fellow, yes, he's just over the garage right now, looks like, or just east of the garage. 06 Zulu, we have the arriving in traffic as well. We'll pass behind him. 06 Zulu, roger. Thanks. Horizon 2072, 2072, wind 0409 or 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, is 2072.
Heavy Boeing 787 short final. I need a second. Verify a mile west of the airport at 2,700.
We're indicating 2,800 on 3049er for 060.
060, thank you, radar contact.
60.
Alright, 892 Kilo Charlie, runway 1 left, intersection Bravo, line up and wait.
1 left to Bravo, line up and wait. 2 Kilo Charlie.
891 Fox Victor. 1 Fox Victor, cross 1 right, hold short of 1 left.
Cross 1 right, hold short, 1 left.
250 Romeo Golf. Romeo Golf, cross 1 right, hold short of 1 left. Delta 2748, cross 1 right, ground point 1.
Cross 1 right, ground point 1, Delta 2748.
West 2168, cross 1 right, ground point 1.
Cross 1 right, ground point South of 2168.
Horizon 2072, contact departure.
Contact departure is 2072.
Southwest 2521 Allegiant, 206 and United 1283. It's going to be a few minutes for slower traffic. 2 Kilo Charlie, wind 0109 or runway 1 left to Bravo, clear for takeoff. Just heads up, your transponder looks good now.
Okay, great. 1 left, clear for takeoff, 2 Kilo Charlie.
329 Tango Sierra, 1 left to Bravo, line up and wait. 06 Zulu traffic at the Strasburg southbound 3000, another helicopter on the tour.
06 Zulu, roger, you like us up to 3.5?
6 Zulu, native, just report safe we can.
Okay, 06 Zulu.
Yeah, 50 up, thank you. Pipe, alright, November 06 Zulu, that traffic has you in sight.
6 Zulu.
Point 1 right now.
Hotel ground point 1 now, approximately.
Romeo Golf, you'll pull up, but hold short of 1 left still. Full helicopter southbound at 3000.
Traffic in sight, 2 Kilo Charlie.
Zulu, thanks. 2 Kilo Charlie, when you're able, turn left heading 240.
Turn left 240, 2 Kilo Charlie.
Number 06 Zulu, how long are you going to be up there in orbiting?
06 Zulu, to be determined. I'm hoping not more than about 10 or 15 minutes.
Copy that. I don't have any more traffic for you, I've left the helicopters.
06 Zulu, thanks.
Pepe on 14 up and landing assured, thanks for the help.
No problem, thanks. 2 Kilo Charlie, contact departure.
Contact departure, 2 Kilo Charlie.
Zero Romeo Golf, where do you park? Zero Romeo Golf, cross 1 left, and hotel behind the citation, ground point 1.
Right, cross, runway 1 left, and you'll be behind that.
Nine Tango Sierra, I see you in the turn, contact departure, 3395, see you.
Departure 3395, not necessarily.
Air Canada 1060, right turn Papa Delta, ground point 1.
Okay, Papa Delta, ground point 1, Air Canada 1060.
And ground point 1 for now.
Alpha 7, cross 26, right, ground.
West 312, how are you with me? 312, thank you, 26 South Carolina, wind 0207.
Third land, 26
Okay, 10 Bravo Echo Las Vegas, roger, 1 left, clear to land, 10207. West 2521 Las Vegas, 1 right, line of point.
5.1 right.
Wingspan 20. Wingspan 20, I'm going to set you up for one right, cross one left at Bravo, turn right on Echo. Southwest 2521, 10207, one right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, one right, 2521.
Legion 206, Las Vegas, one right, line up away, device Southwest inside.
Southwest inside, one right, line up away, Legion 206.
6 left, go land 10208.
Full land 206.
Bravo.
Hold short, one right.
Expand 20, cross 26 right, hold short of one right. Legion 206, maintain visual separation with 0108, one right, clear for takeoff.
Maintain visual separation, one right, clear for takeoff, Legion 206.
Wingspan 20, one right, line up and wait, caution wing turbulence. Southwest 2521, contact departure.
Southwest 2521, good day.
Foothill 702, just confirm you're short of one right at Bravo.
Affirmative, short of one right, at Bravo.
Thank you. Wingspan 20, advise the Legion upwind in sight. Legion 20, keep them off the left wing, maintain visual separation 10107, one right, clear for takeoff. Legion 206, maintain visual separation, contact departure, see it.
206, good day.
Foothill 702, thanks for the help. One right at Bravo, line up and wait.
One right, at Bravo, line up, wait.
Foothill 702, traffic ahead, be in a left turn here momentarily, 1010 at 7. One right from Bravo, clear for takeoff. Following 737, about 8 miles ahead, caution wake turbulence.
Left turn, wingspan 20, we go.
Get correction, southwest 312, right turn there, ground point 1 for further. 108, follow citation, short final. United 1283, Las Vegas Tower, 10108, one right, clear for takeoff.
One right, clear takeoff, United 1283.
Southwest 1461, Las Vegas, one right, full length, line up and wait.
Up right, one right, Southwest 1461.
Wingspan 20, thanks for the help, contact departure.
We'll see you, wingspan 20.
Foothills 20, contact departure, take it easy.
Departure, Foothills 702, good day.
Zero Bravo Echo, left turn Sierra, kind of ground point 1.
Number 1 and then left turn Sierra, 810, okay.
Digit 811, tower you up. Spirit 260 Las Vegas, 1 left, clear to land, 1030 at 11. United 1283, contact departure.
United 23, departure, good day.
306, right turn there, ground point 1 for further.
Right turn, ground runway, 306.
We got 1 right, Dallas 1461. Frontier 772 Las Vegas, 1 right, line of way device, southwestern side.
And wait, 1 right, Frontier 772.
Frontier 772, do you have traffic ahead of you in sight?
Yeah, he's in sight, Frontier 772.
And Papa, you can land long and take it down and get off at Alpha 7 if you can.
I can do that.
Digit 811 expedite, cross 1 right, traffic's holding, hold short of 1 left.
1 right, hold short of 1 left, extension 811.
Southwest 1461, connect departure.
Yeah, Southwest 1461.
Frontier 772, maintain visual separation with 03012, 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 1 right, maintain visual separation from Southwest 1273.
Southwest 2153, Las Vegas, 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, Southwest 21.
Jet 811, traffic 2 mile final, cross 1 left, ground point 1.
Cross 1 left, ground point 1, exit jet 811.
Southwest 1795, right turn November, hold short of 1 right.
Right turn November, hold short of 1, runway 1 right, Southwest 1795.
Southwest 2153, 1030 at 11, 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 2339, Las Vegas, 1 right.